Are you wondering what's the best budget espresso machine for this year? If so, stay tuned, because by the end of the short video, you'll know exactly which one to choose. We're going to check out the 5 best budget espresso machines on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the product shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. At number 5 is the DeLonghi EC155 Pump Espresso. Making decent espresso-style drinks at home doesn't have to be expensive. For a modest price, the DeLonghi EC155 Pump Espresso can whip up satisfying espressos, lattes, and cappuccinos without eating up too much countertop real estate. Design-wise, the EC155 is compact and has clean lines. It comes in black and has stainless steel features. It does have a milk frother but no grinder. You can, however, use pods or grinds depending on your personal preference. It has a smaller tank that carries up to 35 ounces of water, making it a little small if you want to make for a big bunch of people, but more than adequate for 1 or 2 cups. As for simplicity, this machine is extremely easy to use. You just add the coffee and your water, wait for less than a minute for it to boot up, and it is ready to go. The temperature reading on the front control panel lets you make sure that the temperature is perfect every time. It does not matter how good the machine looks, how easy it is to operate, or how low the price point is, if it does not deliver great tasting coffee. There is no need to worry on this front. The coffee comes out tasting full and flavorsome. To conclude, while this machine's ability to pull properly extracted espresso shots is hit or miss, the EC155 DeLonghi's tasty frothed milk and coffee-making repertoire is enticing, especially considering its low cost of entry, and is one we would recommend. At number 4 is the Mr. Coffee ECM160 Espresso Machine. As far as home espresso makers go, the Mr. Coffee ECM160 4-cup model is one of the most popular entry-level espresso brewers around and a consistent bestseller. The first thing to strike your eyes is the unit's pretty small build. It is compact and lightweight enough to carry around. It is made up of stainless steel, aluminum in the boiler, and plastic, which give a silvery face with black accents. In addition, it has a glass decanter with serving measures, stay-cool handle, and drip-free spout, whilst also featuring an easy pour decanter and a removable frothy to make cleanup easy. The ECM160 Espresso measures only 8 inches by 6.5 inches by 10.5 inches and weighs just 5.3 pounds. It also runs extremely quiet, so you never have to worry about it making a lot of noise while brewing your favorite hot beverage. As for performance, the ECM160 Espresso machine creates steam pressure of about 3 bars that brew 20 ounces of espresso into easy-to-pour glass decanter for custom serving sizes from 1 to 4 cups. Plus, it is equipped with a powerful frother. This makes cafe-rich espressos and whips up your lattes and cappuccinos to light, frothy perfection. Additionally, the ECM160 Espresso machine has a well-labeled control dial that is very easy to understand, so using the machine will only take you a few minutes. It has 3 settings which include off, brew, and steam. It is that simple. To conclude, the ECM160 Espresso machine is compact, but it delivers a lot for the amount you'll pay for it. It's super convenient, works right out of the box, and a growing number of coffee lovers hail it as a huge success. We highly recommend this espresso machine. At number 3 is the Breville Vertuo Coffee and Espresso Machine. The Vertuo is a 2-in-1 coffee maker and espresso machine. It is more expensive than most single-serve coffee makers, but may be worth the extra money if you want to make both beverages. Design-wise, the Nespresso's Vertuo comes in chrome, black, or red, so you can buy the specific color that complements your kitchen design. Plus, it has a retro vibe that we really liked. The Vertuo machine measures 8.32 inches by 11.93 inches by 11.91 inches, which is about the same as a standard K-Cup machine. It weighs 10.8 pounds and has a mid-sized 40-ounce water tank with a 14-pod capacity disposal bin. The reservoir is removable, so it's easy to clean and refill. Once you select and insert a Nespresso Vertuo capsule, you push the on button and the coffee maker heats up in approximately 15 seconds. A light flickers during the process and then stands steady once it's ready to brew. You don't need to change any settings because the machine reads a barcode on the capsule, which is handy. As for performance, this machine uses a brewing technique unlike those used by other single-cup coffee makers. Namely, it has a trademark centrifugation technique that spins coffee-filled capsules at 7,000 rotations per minute, so the coffee grounds and hot water thoroughly mix during the process. The machine conveniently makes 3 cup sizes, 14-ounce Alto, 8-ounce coffee, and 1.35-ounce espresso at the touch of a button. It uses 2 different capsule sizes, a large capsule for coffee and Alto, and a small one for espresso. It also offers 3 adjustable cup heights to accommodate small espresso cups, standard coffee mugs, and larger travel mugs. Overall, if you're an espresso fan and want to have coffee without any fuss, you should definitely try this Nespresso Vertuo machine. It looks stylish and has an array of different colors. And most of all, the flavor of the coffee is very good. At number 2 is the Hamilton Beach Espresso 40792 machine. Now you can take the next step in your pursuit of the perfect cup with the Hamilton Beach 40792 Espresso and Cappuccino Maker. Inspired by European cafes, this espresso maker helps you indulge in rich-tasting espresso, cappuccino, and latte without sacrificing convenience. The Hamilton Beach Espresso 40792 is outlined with stainless steel accents. The espresso maker is equipped with a removable water reservoir and a swiveling steam wand for easy milk steaming and frothing. Engineered in space-saving dimensions, the Hamilton Beach machine is smaller than the commercial ones in cafes, but just as powerful with 15 bars of pressure that provide excellent extraction. The machine itself is 14.4 by 9.7 by 11.7 inches and under 10 pounds, so it's easy to make it a part of your everyday morning routine while maintaining an organized kitchen countertop. Performance-wise, it combines precision and versatility into one. This espresso machine is built with 15 bars of pressure, giving full force and steam capability for excellent extraction and rich crema. In addition, a maneuverable steam wand allows you to froth your milk at the consistency you desire. This unit also comes with a warming base to keep cups warm and a detachable tray for easy cleanup. We must mention, if you've ever made the mistake of not locking in your filter, you know how messy and dangerous it can be. With Hamilton Beach's 40792 machine, you can lock down the filter with a handy lever which will help reduce the risk of accidents, and cleanup is a breeze, with a detachable drip tray and water tank. To clean, simply wipe down the exterior with a damp cloth and wash all removable parts in warm soapy water. To conclude, if you don't require total control of every aspect of your shot from bean to cup, the Hamilton Beach 40792 Espresso and Cappuccino Maker is an economical and delicious choice. At number 1 is the Nespresso Vertuo Plus Espresso Machine. Nespresso continues to evolve by upgrading its authentic machines, and Vertuo Plus is the latest addition to the list. It offers freshly brewed coffee along with authentic and delicious espresso. Let's take a look. Design-wise, the Vertuo Plus comes in an eye-catching sleek style, in a choice of colors that can enhance the look of your kitchen. Nespresso has focused more on making it longer rather than expanding it widthwise. The Anyplace 40-ounce water tank concept is new, which allows users to adjust the placement according to your kitchen counter space available. As for performance, the Vertuo Plus machine conveniently makes 2 cup sizes at the touch of a button. Just insert a capsule and close the lever. When activated, the capsule spins up to 7,000 rotations per minute. The machine uses 2 different capsule sizes, large capsule coffee and a small one for espresso. Plus, thanks to Nespresso's technology, it uses barcodes to deliver the best in-cup results, including the perfect crema for large coffee cup sizes. In addition, the capsule is automatically ejected after brewing, after a short 20 to 25 seconds preheat time, and will automatically shut off after 9 minutes. The cup support is adjustable to 4 positions to accommodate different cup and recipe sizes. Regarding the quality and taste, the Nespresso Vertuo capsule system delivers exceptional taste and unique aromas, thanks to the preparation of high-quality coffees in hermetically sealed and recyclable aluminum capsules for coffee enjoyment at the highest level. Overall, if you're a person that appreciates and indulges a hot cup of coffee or espresso in the morning, and that too without sacrificing your comfort, then going for an Nespresso Vertuo Plus is a good option. It is one of the best espresso machines that you can get on a low budget and is our #1 choice. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you found it useful. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this in the future. If you do have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. Catch you soon.